Alright crew, so welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So today guys, it's going to be our first car show this summer. I know guys, I've been slacking up a lot and stuff. I've been doing other videos, you know, like motorcycle videos and stuff. Haven't been showing you guys a lot of car videos, whatever, but today you're going to get that today guys. We're going to go ahead and do it's a Harley Davidson car show. I believe it's a car slash bike show. We're out here in front of the shop here guys. Right in front of the shop, so hey, if you're not doing anything, come on down, man. I know this will be a few days later, unfortunately though, but hey, you guys can still come on down anyway to my shop here and check us out here. But anyway, we're gonna be heading up here. We got a lot of bikes out here as well, cool bikes, and of course, you know, we got Blue Ash over there, guys. So we got Blue Ash as well. I always put Blue Ash out in front of the shop for free advertisement. You know how that goes. So we're gonna go ahead and walk up here and we're gonna see if we can find something cool guys. So hang tight for the show. Hey, how you doing? Alright guys, let's start from the end down here. Raven, you guys, we've seen that one. Let's start with some of the bikes. They got the bikes for judge. What's up, bud? How you doing? Both of them looking good. Got it looking good. I did. Up in here. Hey there, Madison. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
What are you doing up here?
I'm coming on a road show with my dad.
All right. I see he got his hot rod out, don't he? You having fun?
Yes.
That's awesome. Oh, Ben, that's my buddy there. I think he got a little coolant leak. Well, Madison, y'all guys have fun. Good seeing you. Yep. He'll get it right. He'll get it up and running. All right, guys. So, of course, you got the music here. So, I probably will not be listening to. May have to cut the sound out, and I apologize. fly young lady of this here. She said old Mike Brooks painted it, so.
Yep.
He painted both of them, that one and this. It's so hot out here, man. I stopped sweating and I start again. I'll at you.
Hey, how's Chris doing?
He's doing good. All right, guys. I'm sweating so good out here, man. It is very, very warm. Hope you guys have been enjoying everything. We're gonna do an aerial view here. As soon as I'm gonna go ahead and stop this one, then we're gonna go ahead and take the drone up in the air. We're gonna do a nice little area scene. So you see, I'm sweating really bad, man. It's so hot out here. But I do hope you guys enjoyed the little area shot that we saw. So we're gonna go ahead and start back right where we left off at. They still got vehicles pulling up in here and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and get this last 2 rows or whatever. And then we'll probably do one last walk around. And I think that'll be it. This is a smaller show. It's over here at the Blackwolf Harley Davidson shop, guys. They do this show about once a year. So a lot of familiar faces. Take a look, they got a real fresh paint job on this one. That's my buddy Gary's. Come out here. So he's a Morkie?
A Morkie, so a Maltese and a Yorkie.
Oh man, is he friendly?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Hey buddy.
He barely has any of his teeth left.
He's little. Oh, so he's older.
So he's 10.
He looks. He don't. I mean, he looks.
Turns 11 in October.
He looks young. I mean, you know, most dogs that look old, you can tell they look old, but he looks good.
Yeah.
He's trained very well too. He listens good to you.
Whenever he wants to. He has selective hearing.
Very good. You guys have a good day.
You too.
There they go. You guys cheating. Y'all over here in the shade. Yeah, it is. It feels a lot better over here, don't it? Got a little breeze coming through here. He got a wrap on here, it look like. All right, somebody told me come over here and look at this popcorn Sutton bike. Let's see what he's talking about. Oh, okay. Got the jugs. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Popcorn Sutton. That's neat. No, in Tennessee, baby. Popcorn Sutton, $7,500 reward. Everybody started making money off old popcorn after he died, didn't they? Oh, that's cool. All right, guys, so we are back down here at the truck. We just came up there from the Harley shop with the nice car show. We still got motorcycles and stuff still trickling in. But we've seen a lot of cool vehicles. No more vehicles are coming in. I came back down here to Blue Ash. Since I didn't take her up there, we're gonna just do a quick for you guys who haven't seen Blue Ash. If you guys haven't seen the build, go back to my channel and look at the build of Blue Ash, man. Here she is though, just for you guys who haven't seen her in a while. Sometimes I forget to put her on the channel. As you see, I put the Sidetrack Tobacco emblem basically to match my shop over here, and this is the storefront of the shop, guys. So if you guys ever in the Bristol, Virginia area, come and check us out. We normally have Blue Ash sitting right here out in front of the shop. Yeah. All right, guys. So this is gonna be it for this video, crew. So like I tell everybody, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you like this video, we'll continue putting out great content. Peace.